Welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in to another video. It is Friday. We took the day off work because it is race day. We'll be racing today and tomorrow. We're not going to waste any more time. Let's get right into it. That was a new intro I just made. Let me know what you guys think, if you like the old one better or if you like this one. Anyways, today is the club race, club challenge number 2. So we are racing as a team today. Hopefully I can do better, help the team out a little bit more than I did last time. So that is today. And then tomorrow is the midnight grudge track. So a bunch of street cars come out. Basically it's like 30 bucks. You can run your car, whatever you brought. I'm gonna run that one. I like that one. Just get some extra seat time. A lot of different people show up for that one. It's not just your regular group of racers that we all know. That should be fun tomorrow night. Supposed to be a super nice day today. Since I don't have any hair no more protecting my neck, I got the fishing shirt on. Try to stay out of the sun best I can. But yeah, we're gonna hook up the trailers, head out to the track. First, we're gonna give everything a quick wash, and then we'll see you guys at the track. Get at least 1 or 2 passes. No wind at the moment, so that's nice. It is a little warm out, but we got through tech all good. Let's see what the truck will do today. First test pass done. We got a good pass. As soon as I turned the corner, we had a headwind kicked up. We still ran a 1097 at 118 mile an hour. The truck 149 60 foot, which is good. I had an 019 light. Yeah, we should get maybe one more test pass, and then we'll head right into eliminations. Very happy with that first one. I had a 148 60 foot and the truck ran a 1097 again. Cross my fingers, if that stays that dial all night, I'll be happy. But we're all set. That's our last pass before round 1.
Let's go drag racing.
Made it back out to the track for some midnight grudge drags. Just get some practice in, see some cool cars. First things first, we're gonna adjust some valves on the drag truck, just double check everything, and then we'll get out there. The truck spun just a little bit. I felt it crack the tires. We had a 151 60 foot. Normally, as you know, we're like 149, 148-ish. And then the truck ran a 1091 at 120 mile an hour. So again, we're just out here testing. There's some awesome stuff out here. We'll get it cooled off and we'll head back up there shortly. I was late on the tree. I knew I was as soon as I let go of the button. I had an 031 light. The truck spun just a hair. We had a 150 60 foot, but the truck still ran a 1091 at 120 mile an hour. Everything's going good. Again, I felt the truck spin. We're just out here testing, having fun. I had a 052 light. I knew I was late as soon as I left the button. We ended up with a 151 60 foot, and then the truck ran a 1096 at 120. If I get one more pass, it's already 10 o'clock. This only goes to 11, so maybe we can squeeze one more in, but we'll see. Spun pretty bad. We had a 1098, 120 mile an hour still. Got some good testing in today. We're super happy. Truck's doing good, so we'll be out here next weekend. It's now a couple days later and we are back in the shop. We had a good time at the Midnight Drags. A race that counted, unfortunately didn't show up like I wanted to, but like we always say on here, that's how racing goes sometimes, and we just gotta try again next time. But as you guys have probably seen in videos past, every time we pull the drag truck out of the trailer, there is a big old puddle of transmission fluid. So right now we got the drag truck pulled out. I'm gonna get it on the rack here in a second and we'll get it thrown up in the air and see what's going on. We've been tightening the transmission pan bolts, snugging them up. Can't find anything from up top. Get it thrown on the rack and we'll go check it out.
Was it coming from the fittings? Looks like it's coming from above.
Yeah, there's a drop right there.
Uh-huh.
You stink.
If this is rotten. I would snug up the fittings on both, and the oil is not really a problem. You know, you have maybe like one little drop here and there, but the transmission fluid's terrible.
All right, we'll start there. The drag truck should be good to go. We tightened up a couple fittings. We'll check and see if we got any leaks, especially keep an eye on it when we're at the track this weekend. But now we are gonna move back on to our winch project for the drag truck trailer. All this stuff to do. I just need to get these lined up, mark where we want them, and then weld our brackets onto our winch. Then we'll run wiring and all that good stuff, and it should be good to go. Measure before you're done welding, but That's not how we roll around here. It's pretty good enough. We'll let this cool off for a second. Get it all bolted together. Next thing we're gonna get into the big race trailer. On the very back of the trailer, on the drag truck trailer, there is a strip of diamond plate that runs the length of the trailer, and then some angle to hold down the corner of it. We did that on the drag truck trailer. It turned out good, just to keep that edge of the trailer from being damaged. So we're gonna do that on the big trailer, cut a strip of that, throw some corner on there, and then those things will be good to go. The only issue is the front of the trailer is not, or the back of the trailer is not square. It's got rounded edges and they're different. So it's going to be a cut, lay it out, cut a little bit more, lay it out, cut a little bit more until we finally get it. Jesus.
What?
Look at a mess.
Oh.
There's my line.
You think that's gonna do us any good?
I don't know.
I think. Did you just fill that up?
No.
No. I think we shot back that up, or it's gonna make a mess and stain the goddamn concrete.
This thing sucks.
Oh, it fucking takes off on you.
Yeah, you can see where I tried it. Tried it about 6 times right here. I went. Made a little cardboard template so we can kind of get the curves started as a rough outline. I'm gonna go ahead and take the edges off this guy and we'll go throw it in the trailer and see how it looks. Got the trailer all closed up now, but the diamond plate turned out good. Got the E-tracks back in. My little templates I made worked out nice. So yeah, that should help with the end, the smack getting caught on everything and protect the edge a little bit. That's gonna be it for today's video. As always, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please subscribe, drop a comment below for me, and stay tuned because we got a ton more racing content coming your way. Take it easy and we'll catch you on the next one.